Hey everybody, this is Dave Blair, and I want to make a quick video. So, I put the new skid plate on, and I'm pretty happy with it. But if I had it to do over again, I'd probably pay somebody to do it. And on second thought, I should have laid the bike over to put it on there, because I had to crawl underneath it, and yeah, it just a little bit of a pain. A little bit. It wasn't too bad, but it took me like 2.5 hours, and I would rather pay somebody to do it than do it again. Okay, mirrors. I went with the double take mirrors, and I should have gone with those from the beginning. So the bike comes with a fixed mirror with a round, and I don't really care for the round mirrors. And I knew I wanted to replace them, and I also did not know that they were left-hand threaded. So when I ordered the other ones, they kind of pivot from here, which I thought would be fine if I had if I laid the bike down, it would save my mirrors. But what I didn't know was that they were right threaded. And so what I did was, they're kind of like the mirrors that are on the MT 450, the CF Moto MT 450 and or Ibex 450. So again, they would pivot here, and this was a fixed arm with the mirrors. The mirrors didn't offer a whole lot of rotation, and part of the problem was, again, the left-hand, right-hand thread. So I got an adapter, 2 adapters for $3, and they had left-hand threads going into here, and then the male end was left-hand threads, the female end was right-hand threads, so that was no problem. The problem was, anytime you moved the arm, it would loosen up, and again, they were counter each other. So if you tried to tighten this one, you'd be loosening the other one. It just didn't work. I should have gone with the double take mirrors. Again, the ones that I first purchased were half the price of these, and yeah, the double take are just better design. You got the ball. You can move these any way that works for you, basically. So moral of the story is, go ahead and spend the extra money, get the double take mirrors. They're a lot easier, and they come with basically there's a bolt right here that goes through the ball, and they send you right hand threads, left hand threads, different sizes in the package. Was super easy. Put the bolt through, tighten it up. The ball is solid, and then you have the flexibility on both balls, and you can adjust the mirror basically anywhere you want. Now I went with the longer 6-inch because I like to be able to see behind me, not just beside me, if that makes sense. But yeah, it's starting to take shape. I still need to do something about hand guards. Now my friend Dave gave me some, but the problem is they curve too sharp here, and the levers did not fit behind the bar, because again, the bar would just cut that corner right there, and if you look here, like, this comes out quite a ways before it cuts back. This is a sharper angle, and the other ones were rounded. So I'm gonna still need to look at getting some replacement for those, but at least they have something. I mean, it's plastic, but at least it's something. They're more of a wind guard than anything else, and then I think it'll be ready for off-road use. All right, thanks for listening.